Hi, this is Brandy McClellan, Simply Aroma Consultant number 814018. I woke up this morning and my son was coughing and congested, so I put together a blend of essential oils into the Ultrasonic Diffuser over here. I put in 4 drops of Shield, which is good for the immune system and also for congestion. I put in 2 drops of OxyZen, which is also good for congestion and good for breathing. And I put in 2 drops of lemongrass, which increases your energy, so we're not draggy this morning. And my son here seems to love it. He told me it smells like, what did you say it smells like?
Lollipops.
A lollipop blend. So, again, my name is Brandy McClellan. I am a consultant of Simply Aroma Essential Oils. I'll put my website up here so that you can link to it, and have a good day.